Today's topic for discussion is a practical protocol of algae, and today's practical is study of Chara. Chara, it is an algal plant. Let us see how to do the practical of Chara. Let us see the requirements. We need Chara filaments. It is a large sized naked algae. We need forceps, needle, watch glass, magnifying lens and the microscope. In procedure, what we have to do, take a small branch of Chara on a clean slide and observe with the help of magnifying lens, and we can study the external morphology with the help of magnifying lens, because it is a very large sized algae, it is a naked algae, and we can write all the details of external morphology. When we need microscope, when we study the transverse section of stem or transverse section of its gametes, etc. And this is the practical of external morphology of Chara. Just we have to see all the details with the help of magnifying lens, and we have to write in observation. The points for observation are: the thallus of Chara is rough in touch because of deposition of calcium carbonate. Chara, it is an algae that grows best in the water in which calcium carbonate is more. And this algae, it is highly branched. And the Chara, it is commonly called as horsetail because of its appearance like a tail of horses. This Chara plant that resembles a small herbaceous plant. This alga Chara that consists of a main axis which is having nodes and internodes. We can see with naked eye because it is a large sized algae. The secondary branches arise from the nodal region. The main axis of the Chara plant, it has unlimited growth. It is having nodes and internodes. There are leafy whorls of branches of limited growth situated at the nodal region. The male and female gametes are developed on the branches of limited growth. The female gamete of Chara, it is known as nocule, and the male gamete of Chara is known as globule. The alga is attached to the substratum with the help of thread-like rhizoids. The rhizoids are branched. These are the detailed morphological aspects of Chara, and Chara, it is an algae. This is the classification of Chara. It is an algae. Division Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Charales, and family is Characeae, genus is Chara. This is all about practical of Chara.